I guess so. The other day I posted a video about the 87 from South and how excited I am about the shape and lightness and everything of this. And obviously, I got lots of questions, and one of them was, can you install any other software than Surfstar on this device? And the answer is let's find out. So I'm gonna first of all hook it up to the internet here. Hold on, I forgot to do it. Okay, so I'm just hooking up to the Wi-Fi, and now I believe I'm gonna start recording uh, everything here, and I think I'm recording. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on the internet here into the Google, yeah, whatever. No, thanks. Um, and I'm gonna go and install software from Trimble and see if we can actually install it. So I'm gonna type in install dot Trimble. Only if I can type, hey. And I'm missing an N. Okay, and that didn't work. That's a weird one. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, now this time it worked. So as you can see, it's a Trimble installation manager. Obviously, since we are running Android, we're gonna go to Trimble installation manager Android and double click that. Oh, there we go. Download anyway. Downloading the file. I'm using the Google Chrome. We're gonna open it. And we have to allow. Yeah. And now we're gonna open Trimble installation manager. It's gonna ask us to few things. Accept. Nobody reads the small print, right? And yeah, right now, obviously, we can install the Trimble Access or Trimble Sideworks. So I'm gonna hit Trimble Sideworks, and let's see. Obviously, you need a license from purchase from your Trimble dealer. So most likely your SciTech dealer there, and or your Trimble survey dealer. So let's see, it's downloading the APK file for SiteWorks, but we should be able to run it. And of course, it's not going to let us do anything because we don't have a license. But if we were have a license, and but even yeah, it wouldn't open the software if we can't run it, right? So 70%. 90. Yeah, so that all depends based on your speed, internet, blah blah blah, right? Okay, again, we need to allow Trimble installation manager to be access to the drive, so everything, the security settings of iOS. And here we go, let's run it. Let's do this, let's do this, let's do this. Wow, and Trimble Siteworks is running right now, so version 1.8, which is the latest and greatest version. And technically, yeah, so we're gonna set it up, right? So Sideworks accept English, and it should kind of blow us off at some point and ask for a license, right? Oh yeah, so you see it's not licensed, okay. I don't know what this, if it lets us go through this or license agreement, hit accept. Technically it should kind of run in like a demo mode, so we should be able to do most of the stuff except connect to actual device. Create the work order, test. Boom, there you guys have it. Sideworks is working. Obviously it's not licensed, so if we were to go and do a project setup and connect device, it's gonna probably give us some error somewhere at some point. Yeah, so you see, as you can see, it's running in emulation form. So there you guys have it. We can definitely run Siteworks on it, and let's see if I can. If I connection is required, yeah. Hold on, sorry. Exit. Yes. Let's go back to installation manager, finish, and let's try. There was a question about the access as well, so let's try to see if it lets us do that. Okay, so Trimble access, it's a little bit different install. Oh, this is a help. Okay, so this is a help. So yeah, so I don't know how this works. I'm not a big on I'm not, I don't know Trimble access too much, so I'm not sure whether that's different installation or how it goes. So yeah, I'm not able to install access. So let's try this. Yeah, so it's saying you have to go to installation manager, but when I click Trimble access, obviously, I guess you have to have a license before the installation of the access, but since we can run the Siteworks, I don't believe there should be any issues of running Trimble access. Valid license. Let's see. No, it just doesn't want to do it. So, um, yeah, but that answers that question. And next time we'll do some other deep dives on this control. Hope you guys like it.